Hey guys, it's me, Renee.
And Jun here.
And we're here in Kuala Lumpur at the Sepang racetrack for the MotoGP. Alright, and we're over here at the Motul booth. Some really exciting news, but to tell us a bit more about Motul is Jun. Take it away, Jun.
Alright, so since 1950, Motul has been a pivotal force in motorcycle racing. They've been a key partner of MotoGP for over 75 years. They've been integral in it. They've been sharing its dedication to high performance lubricant with the entire motorsport community, and also consistently pushing the boundaries of performance in the sport.
Right, and also MotoGP has been both a testing ground as well as a living laboratory for motorcycle products. Okay, and they've been supporting teams like Prima, Premac Racing, and Gas Tech 3, both of which have remarkable seasons so far. And of course, we have riders like Pedro Augusta and of course Augustine Fernandez as well. And the exciting news is right here at the event. Motul is actually launching a brand new oil, which I happen to have right here as well. Okay, it's the 300V, and it features advanced ESTER Core Technology. All right, I'm not going to go too much into about the oil as well, but just be aware that what the oil actually does, it gives you augmented power, improved reliability, and also more sustainable as well. All right, so well, that's about all the news we have here for you right here at the Motul booth. And we're here, of course, at the MotoGP in Kuala Lumpur. And on behalf of myself, Renee, and
Jun,
signing off.